Have you ever wondered what it's really like to sail on a ship that promises luxury without the astronomical price tag? I've sailed on dozens of cruise ships over the past decade, and Star Voyager just changed everything I thought I knew about mid-range cruising. This ship doesn't just compete with the big names, it actually beats them in ways that'll surprise you. Most cruise lines talk a big game about guest experience, but Star Voyager delivers something different. After spending 7 nights aboard this floating paradise, I discovered why seasoned cruisers are quietly switching their loyalty. The ship launched 3 years ago with a mission to prove that exceptional cruising doesn't require breaking the bank. What struck me first wasn't the gleaming lobby or the impressive size. It was the crew members who remembered my name by day 2, and the thoughtful touches that most ships overlook completely. Star Voyager operates with 2847 guests at full capacity, but somehow manages to feel intimate and personal throughout the entire voyage. Let me walk you through exactly what makes this ship special, starting with where you'll be sleeping. Star Voyager offers 6 distinct accommodation categories, each designed with genuine comfort in mind rather than just profit margins. Interior staterooms aren't the cramped boxes you might expect from other cruise lines. These inside cabins feature 185 square feet of thoughtfully designed space, complete with mood lighting that mimics natural daylight cycles. The beds are positioned to maximize floor space, and every cabin includes a surprising amount of storage for a week-long voyage. Smart technology controls everything from temperature to lighting with simple voice commands. Oceanview staterooms bump up the space to 205 square feet and feature large picture windows that actually open for fresh sea air. This might sound basic, but you'd be amazed how many ships seal you inside with recycled air. The views change constantly as the ship moves, providing natural entertainment throughout the day. Balcony staterooms are where Star Voyager really shines compared to competitors. At 240 square feet plus a 65 square foot private balcony, these rooms feel genuinely spacious. The balconies include comfortable seating for 2 and a small table perfect for morning coffee or evening cocktails while watching the sunset. The suites take luxury to another level entirely. Junior suites offer 350 square feet of living space plus expansive 85 square foot balconies with premium outdoor furniture. These rooms include separate seating areas, walk-in closets, and marble bathrooms with full-size bathtubs, a rarity even on expensive cruise lines. Family suites accommodate up to 6 guests with innovative space-saving designs that don't feel cramped. These 380 square foot accommodations feature bunk beds that fold into the walls during the day, creating additional living space for families to relax together. The connecting door option allows larger families to book adjacent rooms while maintaining privacy. Star Voyager's crown jewel accommodations are the owner's suites, featuring 580 square feet of pure luxury. These suites include separate bedrooms, full living rooms, dining areas, and wraparound balconies with 180-degree ocean views. Butler service, premium amenities, and priority reservations for all onboard activities come standard. All staterooms include accessible options with wider doorways, roll-in showers, and lowered fixtures for guests with mobility needs. The ship exceeds industry standards for accessible accommodations, offering these features without compromising on style or comfort. Every accessible room maintains the same elegant design aesthetic as standard accommodations. Now let's talk about food, because this is where most cruise ships either win or lose their guests completely. Star Voyager operates 12 distinct dining venues, each with its own personality and culinary focus. The main dining room serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner with rotating menus that change every 2 days throughout your cruise. The breakfast buffet spans 2 decks and offers everything from made-to-order omelets to fresh sushi prepared by skilled chefs. Unlike many ships where buffet food sits under heat lamps for hours, Star Voyager refreshes items constantly throughout service periods. The coffee stations feature premium beans and baristas who actually know how to make proper espresso drinks. Lunch options include the casual poolside grill, the Mediterranean bistro, and the Asian fusion restaurant that serves some of the best pad thai I've ever had at sea. The Mediterranean bistro focuses on fresh ingredients and lighter fare, perfect for sea days when you want flavor without feeling overstuffed. Dinner venues range from casual to elegant without requiring formal dress codes that make you feel uncomfortable. The steakhouse serves prime cuts of beef cooked exactly to your preference, while the Italian restaurant makes fresh pasta throughout the evening. Both restaurants require reservations, but they're easy to secure if you book early in your cruise. The ship's signature restaurant offers a chef's table experience that changes nightly based on seasonal ingredients and the chef's inspiration. This intimate venue seats only 16 guests and includes wine pairings with each course. The experience costs extra, but it's worth every penny for food lovers who want something truly special. Bar options include everything from craft cocktails to wine tastings led by knowledgeable sommeliers. The main atrium bar features live music every evening and serves creative cocktails that taste as good as they look. The sports bar offers casual atmosphere with large screens for watching games while enjoying pub food and local beers. Room service operates 24 hours with an extensive menu that goes far beyond basic sandwiches. Late-night options include everything from pizza to full entrees, all delivered promptly and still hot. The continental breakfast room service option is complimentary and perfect for enjoying coffee and pastries on your balcony. Pool areas on Star Voyager are designed for relaxation rather than chaos, which sets this ship apart from party-focused cruise lines. The main pool deck features 2 large swimming pools with plenty of space for actual swimming, not just standing around in crowded water. The adult-only pool area is located on Deck 12 and offers a peaceful retreat with comfortable loungers and attentive service. This pool features an infinity edge that creates the illusion of swimming into the horizon. Hot tubs are positioned to provide privacy while maintaining ocean views. Families love the dedicated children's splash area with smaller pools, water fountains, and gentle slides designed for younger kids. The area is enclosed with safety features while still feeling open and fun. Lifeguards monitor all pool areas during operating hours, allowing parents to actually relax. Sun deck space is abundant with various seating options from cushioned loungers to traditional deck chairs. The ship provides complimentary towels, and deck stewards regularly offer cold drinks and light snacks to pool area guests. Shade structures protect guests who want to enjoy outdoor time without direct sun exposure. The main pool area transforms in the evening with ambient lighting and live music that creates a sophisticated atmosphere. Pool bars remain open until midnight, serving everything from frozen cocktails to premium wines. The evening poolside experience feels more like a resort than a typical cruise ship. Water activities include 2 water slides that are thrilling without being terrifying for most age groups. The slides feature different speeds and experiences, ensuring everyone from kids to adults can enjoy them safely. The ship also offers aquafitness classes in the main pool during sea days. Recreational activities aboard Star Voyager cater to every energy level and interest group. The fitness center spans 2 decks with state-of-the-art equipment, including cardio machines with individual entertainment screens and ocean views. Personal training sessions are available with certified instructors who design workouts for cruise ship conditions. The rock climbing wall challenges guests with multiple difficulty levels and safety equipment that meets international standards. Climbing sessions include basic instruction for beginners and more challenging routes for experienced climbers. The wall overlooks the ocean, providing spectacular views from the top. Sports enthusiasts can enjoy the full-size basketball court that converts to a volleyball court or general sports area. Equipment is available from the sports desk, and organized tournaments happen throughout the cruise for guests who want friendly competition. Evening entertainment includes Broadway-style shows in the main theater, featuring professional performers and elaborate costumes. The productions change throughout the cruise, ensuring repeat guests experience something new. Comedy shows and live music performances happen in smaller venues throughout the ship. Educational activities include cooking classes where guests learn techniques from the ship's executive chef, wine tastings that explore different regions and varieties, and cultural presentations about upcoming ports of call. These activities are included in your cruise fare and provide genuine value beyond basic entertainment. The library offers quiet space for reading with comfortable seating and ocean views, plus internet access for guests who need to stay connected. Board games and puzzles are available for families or groups who want screen-free entertainment options. Spa and wellness facilities on Star Voyager rival those found at high-end destination resorts. The spa spans 8,000 square feet across 2 decks and offers treatments ranging from basic massages to advanced anti-aging facials. Treatment rooms feature ocean views and soundproofing that blocks ship noise completely. The thermal suite includes saunas, steam rooms, and heated tile loungers that provide relaxation between spa treatments. Day passes to the thermal suite are available for guests who want spa amenities without booking expensive treatments. The space includes quiet relaxation areas with herbal teas and healthy snacks. Fitness classes happen throughout the day in the dedicated studio space, including yoga, pilates, and high-intensity interval training. Instructors modify exercises for different fitness levels, ensuring everyone can participate safely. Morning yoga sessions on the top deck provide stunning ocean views and fresh air. The spa's relaxation deck is adults only and features comfortable loungers, healthy light meals, and attentive service. This area provides a peaceful retreat from busier parts of the ship while maintaining easy access to spa services. Guests can spend entire sea days here without feeling like they're missing anything. Wellness programs include nutrition consultations, meditation sessions, and workshops on maintaining healthy habits while traveling. These programs go beyond typical cruise offerings and provide practical value that guests can use long after their vacation ends. Star Voyager excels at entertaining younger guests without overwhelming the ship with kid-focused chaos. The Kids Club accommodates ages 3 through 12 with age-appropriate activities supervised by trained youth counselors. Activities include arts and crafts, games, educational programs, and special events that tie into the ship's ports of call. The Teen Lounge provides a dedicated space for guests aged 13 through 17 with gaming systems, comfortable seating, and organized activities designed specifically for this age group. Teen events include pool parties, movie nights, and shore excursion opportunities that appeal to older kids. Family-friendly amenities include strollers available for rent, babysitting services for evening adult dining, and kids menus in every restaurant that go beyond typical chicken nuggets and pizza. The ship's photographers specialize in family portraits and offer packages that capture vacation memories professionally. Children's programming includes educational activities about marine life, cultural presentations about destinations, and hands-on learning experiences that make the cruise educational as well as fun. These programs keep kids engaged while teaching them about the world beyond their everyday experiences. Special dietary accommodations for children include allergen-free options, organic choices, and healthy alternatives to typical cruise food. The kids' buffet area features fresh fruits, vegetables with fun dips, and smaller portions sized appropriately for younger appetites. Star Voyager's itineraries focus on destinations that offer genuine cultural experiences rather than just shopping opportunities. Caribbean routes include stops in Barbados, St. Lucia, and Antigua, with shore excursions that showcase local history, cuisine, and natural beauty rather than tourist traps. Mediterranean cruises visit ports like Barcelona, Rome, and Santorini with carefully curated excursions led by local guides who share authentic insights about their communities. These tours focus on cultural immersion and educational experiences that provide lasting memories beyond typical sightseeing. Shore excursion options range from gentle walking tours perfect for older guests to adventure activities like snorkeling and hiking for more active travelers. Each port offers multiple excursion choices at different price points, ensuring every guest can find something appealing within their budget. The ship's destination specialists provide pre-cruise planning assistance and onboard presentations about upcoming ports. These sessions include practical tips about local customs, currency, and must-see attractions that help guests make the most of their limited time in each destination. Private excursion options allow smaller groups to customize their port experiences with dedicated guides and transportation. These premium options cost more but provide flexibility and personalization that large group tours cannot match. After sailing on Star Voyager, I can honestly say this ship delivers exceptional value for the price point. The service consistently exceeds expectations without feeling forced or overly scripted. Crew members genuinely care about guest satisfaction and go out of their way to create memorable experiences. The ship's size allows for variety without feeling overwhelming or impersonal. You'll find quiet spaces when you want solitude and social areas when you want to meet other guests. The balance between structured activities and free time gives guests control over their vacation experience. Food quality surpasses many more expensive cruise lines, with genuine variety that goes beyond typical cruise fare. The dining venues offer real choice rather than different presentations of the same basic ingredients. Special dietary needs are handled professionally without making guests feel like they're causing problems. Areas for improvement include the spa pricing, which runs higher than similar facilities on competing ships. Some of the specialty dining venues require reservations that fill up quickly, potentially disappointing guests who don't book immediately upon boarding. The Wi-Fi service works reliably, but costs more than it should for basic internet access. Guests who need to stay connected for work should budget extra for internet packages that provide adequate speed and data allowances. What truly sets Star Voyager apart is the ship's commitment to authentic hospitality rather than manufactured cruise ship cheerfulness. The crew treats guests like individuals rather than just another booking number. This personal approach creates a vacation atmosphere that feels genuine and relaxed. The ship's design prioritizes passenger comfort over cramming in revenue-generating spaces. Public areas feel spacious and well-planned, with comfortable seating and good sight lines that make socializing natural and enjoyable. The flow between different areas of the ship makes sense and reduces crowding. Star Voyager's partnership with local artisans in each port creates unique shopping opportunities featuring authentic crafts rather than mass-produced souvenirs. The ship's cultural enrichment programs include guest speakers, local musicians, and cooking demonstrations that showcase the destination's authentic character. The ship's environmental initiatives include advanced wastewater treatment, energy-efficient lighting throughout, and partnerships with marine conservation organizations. These efforts demonstrate genuine commitment to protecting the oceans that make cruising possible. For business travelers or special events, Star Voyager offers comprehensive meeting and conference facilities that rival land-based venues. The business center includes high-speed internet, printing services, and technical support for presentations or video conferencing needs. Conference rooms accommodate groups from 10 to 200 people with flexible seating arrangements and state-of-the-art audiovisual equipment. Catering services provide everything from coffee breaks to full banquet dinners with customizable menus that accommodate dietary restrictions and cultural preferences. Wedding and celebration packages include ceremony venues with ocean backdrops, professional photography services, and reception options that range from intimate gatherings to large parties. The ship's event coordinators handle all details, allowing hosts to enjoy their special occasions without stress. One guest told me about arriving at their stateroom to find a personalized welcome note from their cabin steward, along with information about the guest's favorite wine being available at the main bar. This level of personal attention happened because the guest had mentioned their wine preference during the online check-in process months earlier. Another family shared how the kids' club counselors remembered their daughter's birthday and organized a surprise celebration with other children in the program. The ship's pastry chef created a custom cake, and the celebration included games and activities tailored to the birthday girl's interests. A couple celebrating their anniversary discovered that their dinner reservations had been upgraded to a private table with ocean views, complete with champagne service and a special menu featuring dishes from their honeymoon destination 25 years earlier. The gesture came from a casual conversation with their waiter about their travel history. These experiences happen regularly aboard Star Voyager because the crew receives training in creating memorable moments rather than just completing basic job requirements. The ship's culture encourages staff to listen to guests and find ways to exceed expectations through personal touches. The medical facility exceeds industry standards with a fully equipped infirmary, qualified medical staff available 24 hours, and partnerships with shoreside medical facilities in each port. This comprehensive medical support provides peace of mind for guests with health concerns or families traveling with elderly relatives. Star Voyager represents the evolution of cruising toward authentic experiences that create lasting memories rather than just temporary entertainment. The ship proves that exceptional hospitality, quality dining, and genuine comfort don't require premium pricing or pretentious attitudes. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned traveler, Star Voyager delivers a vacation experience that feels both familiar and refreshingly different. The ship respects your time, your money, and your desire for a genuine escape from everyday stress.